Water is amazing. It's been here for billions of years and is the byproduct of the formation of stars. Without it, we wouldn't exist. This simple molecule literally gives us life. So here is water in numbers. Water is made of 3 molecules, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. It is the second most abundant molecule in the universe. There are roughly 1.3586 trillion litres on Earth alone. That's 543.5 trillion Olympic-sized swimming pools worth. H2O covers 71% of the world's surface. Earth's oceans contain 96.5% of Earth's water. 1.7% is found in glaciers and 0.001% is found in clouds. 2.5% of Earth's water is fresh water. 98.8% of fresh water is frozen in glaciers. 0.003% is inside biological bodies and manufactured materials. 90% of Earth's fresh water is in Antarctica. 20% of unfrozen fresh water is in Lake Baikal in Russia. There is 3 times more water underground than all of Earth's oceans combined. If all the water on Earth were evenly spread, it would cover the Earth to a depth of 3,700 meters. Despite this, 50 countries and 1 billion people don't have access to clean water, and 2.5 billion don't have access to adequate sanitation. It is believed that 50% of people won't have access to clean water by 2025. People in Africa and Asia have to walk an average of 3.7 miles to collect clean water. Nearly 700 million Chinese people drink contaminated water, and 11% of the world's population lacks a modern source of clean water. 3.4 million people die every day from water-related causes. The United States uses 346 billion gallons of water every day, 80% of which is used for thermal electric power and irrigation. In the US, 1,000 gallons of water costs $2. That's 5 gallons per cent. The average American uses 50 gallons per day, or 10 cents worth. Household leaks waste 1 trillion gallons of water annually. That could see the needs of 11 million households. 70% of water used by humans goes on agriculture. It takes 15,000 litres of water to make 1 kilogram of beef, 6,000 litres for pork, 4,000 litres for chicken, 1,600 litres for cereal, 900 litres for fruit, and 300 litres for vegetables. 6,800 gallons of water is required to grow a day's food for a family of 4. 70% of your body is made up of water, roughly 42 litres in the average person, 2/3 of which is in your cells. Your brain is 75% water, your kidneys are 79% water, your skin is 64% water, and even your bones are 31% water. It is recommended that you drink 8 cups of water a day, although your body can process a whopping 48 cups a day. That's 3 gallons, but it's not recommended. All of Earth's water was created billions of years ago in the centre of stars. It came here on comets 4.5 billion years ago. The water in your tap is literally billions of years old. If you drink a glass of water, there is a 100% chance that at least one of the 668.55 sextillion atoms pass through Cleopatra. Seawater is 3.5% salt. The saltiest sea is the Dead Sea. It's 34% salt. 50.1% of the world's seawater is in the Pacific Ocean, roughly 171.3 million cubic miles. H2O is often used in manufacturing. It takes 2,900 litres to make a single pair of jeans, 2,700 litres to make a t-shirt, 140 litres to make a cup of coffee, and 50 glasses to make a glass of orange juice. Water makes up 0.4% of the world's volume, but it's not only found on Earth. NASA has found liquid water on 5 other planets and moons. Mercury's atmosphere is 3.4% water. In 2011, scientists found a cloud of water 12 light years away. It contains 140 trillion times more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. 2/3 of water used in a household is in the bathroom. In fact, the average toilet uses 6 litres per flush. The average shower wastes 20 gallons. Washing the dishes by hand uses 7 times more water than a modern dishwasher. Swimming pools lose 1,000 gallons of water per month through evaporation, and American golf courses use 312,000 gallons of water per day each. At 0.1 degrees Celsius, water can exist in all 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Water typically boils at 100 degrees Celsius and freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. When it freezes, it expands by 9%. Water boils at 71 degrees Celsius at the top of Mount Everest because of the low pressure. 75% of the mass of a tree consists of water. In underdeveloped countries, 90% of wastewater goes untreated into local supplies. The 4,132-mile long River Nile is the longest in the world. There is a billboard in Peru that creates drinkable water out of thin air. There are more lakes in Canada than the rest of the world combined. There are 250,000 lakes in Newfoundland alone. Canadian lakes contain 1/5 of the world's fresh water. 86% of holy water contains fecal matter, aka poo. The world record for holding breath underwater is 22 minutes. The amount of molecules in 10 drops of water is approximately equal to the amount of stars in the observable universe. That was Water in Numbers, and this is GoogolTube. Thanks for watching.